My name is Robert, Millennium Car Club Vice President. I got my members right here, Miguel and Carlos, right here on City Life picnic, and we're right here relaxing and having a good day today. Millennium Car Club started in 2000, 10 years. We got 15 members strong.
Hey, I'm Juan Amador. Nice to meet you. I'm the secretary of the City Life Car Club. I am the one that put this event together today. This is a 1964 Chevy Impala. You can see here just the detail of the engine and the paint work, how it just all matches beautifully. All the chromed out front end. 94 Cadillac big body. That, you know, as you can see by the murals, they did a wonderful exciting job on the paint job and the graphics. So this is another Cadillac we're actually judging today. As you can see, the paint of this is immaculate. It has a real nice red pearl flake to it. The Bel Airs here, Chevy over here on this side. In the car culture, where take a car down, strip it to the bare metal, and make a 100% restoration project from the ground up, where we can replace every last nut and bolt and screw on the car to make them unique. Welcome to City Life Car Club's second annual cruise common eating contest, and thank you for being here.